All right, we're back again today with this video series. And so far, we've had success in the flooding of it, right? We flooded it and we could see that it was a pain in the butt to start. We touched dirt, we know what that does. Dulls the chain, makes the cutting performance just go straight to crap. The next one has to do with more with the starting. And it has to do with this control lever right here. So on a Stihl chainsaw, when I squeeze the trigger, I push all the way down to choke. I'm gonna pull this rope 2 or 3 times, it's gonna fire, and I'm gonna manually move it up 1 notch. This is where it's gonna start, and it's gonna be at a really high idle. And then when I squeeze the trigger, you'll see that it returns to the start position. But what I see happen is people manually move this position. So from the start to the run, they manually do that like I just did there. I'm gonna try to do this a bunch and screw it up. And if I keep doing this, if I'm in a bad habit of this, what can happen, of course it's not gonna happen. Let me take off this cover. I got my wrench right here. I'm gonna show you what happens when you do that too many times or something, when you do it wrong. What it will do is it will pop. Let's get nice and close here. It'll pop this lever. This is called the master control lever. It comes across here on a shaft. It'll pop that lever out of the holder. So there's a little white holder right there, and it'll pop it out, and it'll actually make the stop switch. There's that silver piece right there. I can't really see what I'm doing, but that silver piece right there, it'll pop it on the back side of it. So you really don't have proper control of your throttle. When this happens, it's frustrating to people, right? We've talked about this before. It's frustrating because now you got to come into the dealership and you're thinking to yourself, what is wrong with my Stihl saw? So again, of course, I'm not going to get it to act up. But again, here's the way it works. All the way down is choke. Manually up 1 notch. Okay? As soon as it starts, I squeeze the trigger. Did you see that pop up? I think you did. That's how you do it. You don't go manual to manual, because when you do that, over time, you'll screw something up right in here. You have to come, bring it into your dealer. It might take a part to fix it. It might not if you're lucky. Run that master control lever the right way.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.